So as Sui grows, there are more and more scammers looking to take advantage of you. Yes, you. I love it. I start recording a video and birds go chirping off. Some random guys walking across the parking lot. Holy buckets. You know it was going to be a good TREVIN versus NFT video. But what I want to do with this video is show you how to get rid of scam tokens and NFTs in three easy steps. Let's get it. Okay, so as I said, it'll be 3 easy steps. We will be using the Sui mobile wallet just to show you guys how everything works with something called Sui coins. They have been out for some time now, and oh my gosh, they are a lifesaver. There's a lot you can actually do on their platform, suicoins.com. But today's video, I want to show you their incinerator program and how to get rid of those scam NFTs and tokens that are trying to drain you. So if you basically go to Sui mobile wallet, you'll be able to see home, assets, apps, and activity. We'll be heading over to the apps icon. Once you click here, you'll be able to see what website I want to search for. Well, we're searching for suicoins.com. And it will pop up actually with their swapping mechanism. So if you also want to swap, you can definitely use suicoins.com. I'm probably going to be saying that a bunch, so get used to it. So obviously we have to connect our wallet. So that'll be the first step. Okay, so since our wallet is now connected, we go in the right-hand side or the hamburger, click on that bad boy, and good jow. We're almost there. So step 2 is click on incinerator. Okay, so we have clicked on that. Yes, I'm on a hill. No, I'm not facing sideways. And it will actually already start to show you which NFTs and what tokens are not verified. So this is my favorite part. Sadly, since a lot of the meme coins have been popping off on Sui, a lot of these wallet address are sending you fake tokens. So it's best to verify the actual tokens on SuiScan or suicoins.com to make sure you have the correct address. And all you have to do is you literally just scroll down. They will also, which is a great feature, tell you which ones are already a scam. So they'll have like a little fire emoji that has a death. That is a scam. And all we have to do is legit just click it once and it adds it to the bin. I personally have done 80 assets before. I personally don't know what the limit is, but I would assume probably 100 to 200. Just depends on how many assets you have in that wallet. And remember, if a NFT has a website on it, it is 100% a scam. There are way too many people that look at these NFTs like, oh wow, I just won 50,000 NS. Nope, they're trying to scam you. So all we do is we will be going through a bunch of these, and just remember, you will have a Sui NS as your NFT. So right here, it does say pineapplemic.sui. Do not burn that. Keep that in your wallet, safe and sound, so nothing happens to it. So let's just keep going and we'll figure out what we want to burn. There's actually quite a bit, like right there. See, it says I have a deep airdrop of 25,000 deep. Scam. Okay, so we have selected all of our assets, and this is the last and final step. Step 3. Okay, so we have 8 assets. We'll click burn assets. Important, you are about to burn your assets. Hashtag excited. Then we'll hit continue anyways. Face ID. And burning. So it burned all of those assets in 2.76 seconds. Actually, that felt a lot quicker than 2.76. It probably was, but TREVIN can't do math in his head. That's how easy it is to burn any assets on Sui Network to keep your wallet safe and sound. Ooh-wee. The wind is picking up. Man, I love when it's like 60 degrees. It feels so good. This is TREVIN's weather. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I wanted to do a update video about this since Sui Coins is doing so much, and I highly recommend that team and the platform if you've never used it. My name is TREVIN, or TREVIN versus NFT, and I will see you in Web3. Ooh.